this is my travel vlog to Ganpatipure and Dapoli from Pune with my cousins. So I'm gonna cover the things I did with my friends in the journey throughout. Please stay tuned. We have crossed Tamini Ghat. So we have taken a small halt here as we can see fresh sunrise. We have almost reached at the edge of Konkan and we have crossed Mahad, and this is what it looks beautiful, guys. Let's see. We are more to cover few almost 200 kilometers till Ganpatipure, and stay tuned. Finally, it is 8 a.m. and we have taken a plain black tea at Poladpur. It comes into Raigad district. Group wise, we have made a decision to only have a tea right now because we are not seeing a good quality of breakfast around here. So let's see. So now we have taken a halt to have breakfast finally at 11:30 a.m. We have found a hotel, Shiv Sagar, near Chiploon. So Priyanka, what would you like to have today in your breakfast?
Thinking of trying
Oh, it's here already. And Amit, I think you have also ordered the same.
Thing and the dish is there. Wow. And
Yeah. And I have ordered upma. So please taste it and let me know how it is,
What
Amit.
she thought? You think and then
Amit,
that are
please let me know and taste it how it is. Just taste it. Let our viewers know how it is. I have tasted the upma and it is good. It's really good. I would recommend this hotel.
स्टेट में आना है सर आप
Now we are in Ratnagiri district. It's around 1:30 p.m. and we are nearer to our destination. So finally, after 10 hours of traveling, we have reached our accommodation at Ganpatipure, Yashwant Niwas. This is the entrance to the room. So now, with a very hungry stomach, we are at the lunch table at our accommodation, Yashwant Niwas. This is a pure veg accommodation, so we have no option to order non-veg. We are ordering a veg special thali. So let's see how it looks like. Anything extra that you get will be chargeable. So please, this is to be noted. The food was good, not that yummy and not that bad. It was fine. It could have been much better, I would say. So now after having the lunch, we are heading towards the beach. So here's the Ganpatipure beach. As you can see, we have a lot of snack stalls here. There's pani puri, there's ice cream stall, coconut water stall, and other stuff. The beach is very clean. As mentioned over the internet, it is true. The water is clean, but this is a crowded beach. If you're looking for peace and calmness, I don't think this is the right beach. But the water is clean. And I'm also not finding rides here. This is day 2 and we have checked out from Yashwant Niwas. After having the breakfast, we will be leaving for Dapoli. Oh my god, wait. I want to go to this beach. On the way to Dapoli, we are right now in Ratnagiri, but on the way to Dapoli, we have found this beautiful beach. I don't know what is the name of this beach. Maybe this is a hidden beach or unexplored beach. Now to reach to Dapoli, we are at Zygarh port. We will be traveling through a ferry boat. We are getting our car landed onto the boat. This boat will take us to another port, and from there by road we will travel to Dapoli. So guys, this is the third day of the trip and we are in Murud, Dapoli. We are having a stay at Ganesh Krupa, which is good. The service is good. You also get free internet connection there, because here, a point to be noted, there is no network. There is no network at all. You may face problems getting in contact with your family. We have landed onto the fort. The rocks here are very slippery, so please be careful guys. Suvarnadurg fort is a must visit, however it is not well maintained. You can see the condition of this fort. Now I will show you the view from the fort. So now it's day 4 and we are leaving Dapoli to cover some historical places around Dapoli related to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Let's see. Traveling for next 2 hours, we have reached Vanand, the birthplace of Ramai Ambedkar. This place has been converted into a memorial for Ramai and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. This is the inside view. We felt very peaceful here. This place has a very good kind of vibe and positivity. It was very nice experience. This place is a must visit. That's it in this travel vlog, guys. Now we are leaving Dapoli and Ratnagiri. We are heading towards Pune, back to work, back to routine. On the way, we are having some fresh fruits.